Today, we're looking at a tool that's changing the game for how you start Flutter projects.
So you know the feeling, right? That tedious setup you do over and over and over again.
You burn days on this stuff before you've even written a single real feature. It's a trap.
But what if you could just skip all of that? Well, that's exactly what FlutterSeed is for. Now, this isn't just another template. It's what's called a visual scaffolding engine. And the heart of it all is this really cool visual architecture graph. You literally just drag and drop parts of your tech stack and connect the dots. It's that simple. And what used to take days of work, that now takes about a minute. That visual map then spits out all your production-ready boilerplate code automatically. So when you put them side by side, the old way versus FlutterSeed, well, it's kind of night and day. And we mean really production-ready. This code is clean, organized, and good to go from the start.
Okay, so who gets the most out of this visual approach? Let's break it down.
If you're a freelancer, this is a no-brainer. You'll get to coding and shipping so much faster.
For agency leads, it's all about standardization. Every project starts with the exact same solid foundation. And if you're new to Flutter, it's an amazing way to see how professional architecture is done. Plus, it's not just the visual builder. There's a CLI for terminal fans and even pre-built templates. The whole point is to get you from idea to a running app in minutes, not days. Zero boilerplate. So it leaves you with this question. If you could build your architecture visually, what's the next big thing you'd create?